Hi guys, share ko lang kahapon, Mother's Day. We went for a walk sa Pacific Mall sa may downtown Vancouver, mga high-end products. And then my children said, eat na lang kami ng ramen for dinner. So punta kami dito sa Jinya at dumating itong si Pat, dala-dala yung mga flowers for us. We were so touched by the gesture of these children.
Thank you, Ababat.
Can I get?
Thank you. Thank you, Ababat. Thank you, Ababat.
Yeah, go inside.
Thank you, Apapat. Aba, meron pang pa-cake.
Maybe that's a present.
Whoa! Yeah, Apapat gave that to us. Because it's Mother's Day.
Food here was good. We really enjoyed the tempura and the ramen. At masaya dahil kasama ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Kasama na rin yung pamangkin ko na si Sai at ang asawa niyang ito si Kevin na may anak na si Blair, yung maliit na yon. Miracle baby si Blair. She was born after so many years of trying and then pagkapanganak niya, nangingitim na siya dahil may congenital heart disease. At syempre si Infant Jesus ang tinawag ko. Kaya eto ngayon, after 3 major surgery na open heart, okay na siya. Thank God for the gift of life and for the gift of motherhood.